Hey guys, Guru here, back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to downgrade from macOS Catalina to macOS Mojave. This video is mainly for people who don't like Catalina and for its issues and breaking the MacBook. For those people who want to switch back to Mojave, this is the video for you guys. This video works mainly on 13-inch and 15-inch MacBook Pro 2018 to 2019, and it doesn't support 16-inch MacBook Pro. So I'm using 15-inch MacBook Pro 2018 that has T2 security chip. Downgrading macOS in Mac system quite easier in 2017 or older Macs, and it easily recoverable. But from 2018 Mac, that is MacBook Pro or Mac Mini or MacBook Air, it has T2 security chip that has added more security to recover or reinstall in the older version of macOS. Needed more steps. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. Before downgrading, you need to back up your computer and download the macOS Mojave from App Store. I'll give the App Store link in the description so you can download the macOS from the App Store. Once you download the macOS Mojave, you can create a bootable USB of macOS Mojave. So here is the command line to create the bootable USB from terminal for Mojave. Okay, once you copy and paste the terminal command line, click enter and add login password to start the process. It will take few minutes to finish the process. If you have older MacBook like before 2017 models, you can directly connect the USB drive and start installing the older version of macOS. But T2 chip enabled Mac computers need more step to continuing the installation. For that, you need to shut down your computer and start computer by holding Command R key until Apple logo loading appears. Once it started, you will enter to the recover mode. Once you enter the recover mode, you need to enter your login password for your account, and then it will go to utility window. In the utilities, you need to select startup security utility. So it will ask you to enter the password for your account. I'll enter it. Here in allowed boot media, in this section you need to check in allow booting from external or removal media. This is the option, guys. This option will enable us to bootable from external USB devices. So once you've done that, restart the computer. Now you can connect your bootable USB for macOS Mojave. Once you connect your bootable USB, start the computer by holding Option key. So now you can see the Mojave installation icon on the startup, and I'm going to click on it. So while installation, you need internet access to complete the installation. So make sure you have Wi-Fi while doing this installation. Here I'm entering Wi-Fi password to continue the installation. Now you enter the macOS Mojave installation utility. So before installing the macOS Mojave, you need to erase your Catalina OS from internal SSD. So for that, you need to go to the disk utility, select the SSD and erase it. Make sure you are erased in APFS. So that's important. Okay. Next, go back to the utility window, select the install macOS. Click on continue and click on agree for the installation of macOS Mojave, and select internal SSD to continue the installation. Okay, here also you need to connect to the Wi-Fi before completing the installation. If you are not connected, it will cancel the installation. In my case, it stopped the installation due to not connecting to the Wi-Fi. I restarted the procedure again to complete the installation by connecting to Wi-Fi. So yeah, here it is, guys. This is the final stage of installation. So here you can select your region. So these are the steps that you know that you can do every time installing the macOS. So this is the steps are regular. So you can add your region and connect to Wi-Fi network and click on continue. Here I select don't transfer any information. Now because I didn't back up my computer. If you back up your computer in a time machine, click on the first option, or else third option will be fine. Click on continue, enter the Apple ID. I'll do it later. All this in the system preference. Entering username and password, it is a necessary thing. You just enter and continue. Enable Siri, that's also you can set up later. Touch ID you can enter or you can set up later also. And the theme selection, I'll choose dark mode. So yeah, it's almost done. This laptop also has a True Tone feature. Basically it enables by default. You can disable it later. So now you're done, guys. So here it is, guys. This is how you can downgrade from macOS Catalina to macOS Mojave. People who are frustrated with macOS Catalina that doesn't support 32-bit applications, it breaks computer. Even I feel I bought my MacBook with macOS Mojave, but I upgraded to macOS Catalina. I literally got frustrated and planned to switch back to macOS Mojave. That is very stable and it supports all 32-bit application. My older licensed applications also supporting perfectly fine. So that's the reason I've switched back to macOS Mojave. I don't know when I switch back to later version. So until Apple releases the better version of macOS, I'll stay with the macOS Mojave. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any query about this video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.